Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a DIXIE plate haul. So this was an ordeal. The owner of the company is absolutely amazing, but the shipping, let me see, I'll bring up some photos of what the box looked like. I'm telling you, this thing was destroyed. So I ordered this, I'm gonna cover like that part. So I ordered this in, oh goodness, like look at that. That is crazy. They literally destroyed this package. So I ordered this back at the beginning of July. Today is Halloween. It's the 31st of October. So I was contacting Kate from DIXIE Plates probably about a month in because there wasn't an update, and then it literally sat in San Francisco forever, and then it sat there for I think 3 months. 2 months, 2.5 months, and then I was opening cases and no one would work on it, blah, blah, blah. So I got the package, destroyed, the plates are bent, but she provided me a refund. So I'm going to be working with her as of this moment to try to get her money back from the shipping because again, they came in bent. I might be able to bend them back. But there will probably be a couple things that I won't be able to use. So we'll see what ends up happening. So this is the first plate I got. It is Twinkle Twinkle, and I thought this would be perfect for essentially 4th of July, Christmas, like anytime you want to add some stars, because I love adding stars to designs because I think it just fills in pieces that you don't necessarily want to hand draw on, like this little guy, star, like a normal star. And you also have these, even though they're like together, but you can like piece them out. I just really like this one. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this one. I have been on the hunt for this plate for quite some time now. So this is the Isabel May Nails plate with DIXIE plates, and I love this plate so much. I just had to have it. I really want to do kind of like a I don't even know what they call it, like boho type set with these. Like look at how pretty they are. So super excited about that. And then another plate I wanted to order. So I was going to order this plate by itself, meaning I was gonna pay for shipping, all that, but every time I went to order it and like commit to it, it was sold out. So when I saw literally this plate and they had released another plate that I really wanted, I could not grab all this stuff fast enough. And then when it was lost, literally my heart was broken. But anyway, it's here. This one is probably one of the more bent ones. I don't know. You can see like right there, there's like that huge kind of, so I'm gonna try to like bend it back, but we'll see. I think I'll be able to use most of these. Again, I think I'll be fine. And then we have the second one. So this is the second one that was released. These ones are a lot bigger than the first one. So I think this would be a really good, like if you have long nails, I think Leaves 2 would be awesome. But what I really like is that they have like outlines separate. So this one also has that too. But like if you want just an outline, like you can just do an outline. So I like the versatility of these two plates. And then this one was also released, which is probably my most damaged plate. I don't know if that's going to focus, but you can see it's this one just like a hot mess. And I've already bent parts of it back, so it's just, poor guy. So this is the Liana's plate. I hope I pronounced her name right. And I absolutely love this plate. So this one was released in Leaves 2, and then I saw Leaves 1, and then the Isabel May nail plate in stock. So the 3 that I really wanted were in stock, and then I really liked this one too. So I jumped on that as soon as I saw them. And then who doesn't love snowflakes? Tis the season. Today's Halloween, so that means tomorrow is Christmas because Thanksgiving doesn't exist anymore. People already start decorating for Christmas, and it's 2020. Do what you want. So I'm going to demo some of these for you guys.
up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.